This color recognition software is running on a Raspberry Pi Zero 2. Hi everyone. Before I do a quick demo, let's talk about our setup here. We have a camera feeding live video to the Raspberry Pi. I'm using a Raspberry Pi Zero 2W. I'll show you the kit here in a second. Then I have 3 LEDs connected or wired to the Raspberry Pi, pin 11, 13, and 15, just for demo purposes. Then I have these things for different colors, so I can use this for like yellow, and then this is for red, and then I'm using this for blue. This is the Raspberry Pi Zero 2W. The kit comes with an HDMI adapter, a USB adapter. Here we have a heatsink, which is nice that it comes with. These are the headers that we're going to need to solder. Let's take a look at the Pi itself in this bag here. This is the Pi, and these are the headers that we have to solder. I want to thank Sanouf for sending me this testing unit. Link in the description if you are interested. Just finished soldering the headers, and now we attach the heatsink. If you need to learn more about how to set up a Raspberry Pi from scratch, I have another video that I will leave a link in the description. Now it's time for a quick demo. So let's see here. This is the red, and that should turn on my red LED. This is for blue, and you can see that. And this is for yellow, and we can see that as well. We can go back with this. So you see, this is like not programmed or anything. It's just what the camera sees. Now, this is not perfect, like 100% accurate. It's just with enough light and good quality camera. This is very possible, and it works well all the time. Now, if it's dark or if the camera is not the best quality, you might have some issues. Again, I will leave the code I'm using in the description. You can copy that from my GitHub for free, and all links will be down below. Thank you for watching. Please consider like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.